Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about Epic Reading. This is a website or an app that students can use to read different books. These books can be chosen by themselves, assigned by a teacher, or they can even ask some friends for some suggestions. At the end of some books, there's even the opportunity to answer comprehension questions. While you're reading, teachers can see the progress that you're making. They can see how long it is taking you to read a book, and if you've answered any questions at the end of the book correctly. Let's log in to see what it's all about. When you get to the website or app, you're going to want to click Login. From there, you want to choose Students. You will then be provided with a class code in order to access the site. For this example, I'm going to use a guest student to show you how to use the site. Once you enter, you'll see your name in the right-hand corner. Sometimes when you log in, you'll get a pop-up that shows a new book that was added to your account by your teacher. For this part, you can explore. These are all different books. Here, these are books for you. These will be books that are based on the books you've been reading lately, or they are based on the reading level that your teacher is recommending you read at. Read to Me is a feature where you can click on words while you read, and they will read that individual word aloud. They might also give additional information about the word, such as is it a verb or a noun. And audiobooks are completely read aloud. You can search books by author, title, or keyword. For example, if you're looking for a book that has comprehension questions, you might type comprehension, and you'll see quiz. Once you read the book and get all the way to the end, you will see there is a quiz. The sun is up, and you will click which one is correct. You can also store books in your library and pick which ones are your favorite so you can read them over and over again. In your mailbox, you'll get notifications. Here you'll see what books have been assigned to you, and you'll also get messages or feedback from your teacher on how you're doing. As you can see, this shows how much of the book you've completed. Once you open the book, again, you can see the words and click on them to get some more information. For some other books, while you read, you can choose for it to highlight.
She.
So for example, this is going to read it aloud.
She writes
and it highlights
to her
it
friend.
as it reads. You can turn that highlighting option on and off. As you can see, this website is a great way for students to continue reading virtually. It also allows us to track how they're doing with reading as well as comprehending. If you have any additional questions about Epic Reading, please let me know. We are very excited to use it this year in our classroom.